Unraveling Samsung's best production hub.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are going to delve into the intricate world of smartphone production and answer the question, why is a particular country considered the best for Samsung phone production? By the end of this video, you'll have an understanding of the factors that influence these significant decisions for multinational corporations like Samsung.
Where does Samsung currently manufacture its phones?
Samsung, a South Korean multinational conglomerate, has its production spread across various countries globally, including South Korea, Vietnam, India, and China. However, a shift has been noticed in recent years, with Vietnam emerging as a major hub for Samsung smartphone production.
Why is Vietnam considered the best for Samsung phone production?
So, what makes Vietnam the best choice? Let's break it down. Infrastructure and cost-effectiveness. The Vietnamese government has made significant investments in infrastructure, enhancing connectivity and ensuring a consistent power supply, which is crucial for large-scale manufacturing. Coupled with the low cost of labor, these factors make Vietnam a cost-effective choice for Samsung. Strategic geographic location. Vietnam's strategic geographic location also plays a crucial role. It's located in the heart of Southeast Asia, making it easier to ship products to other parts of the world quickly. Tax incentives. Another significant factor is the attractive tax incentives offered by the Vietnamese government. These incentives can drastically reduce the overall cost of production, making the country even more attractive for companies like Samsung.
How does this benefit Samsung?
Having a major production hub in Vietnam allows Samsung to minimize production costs, reduce shipping times, and respond more quickly to market trends in different regions. In short, it gives them a significant competitive edge in the global smartphone market. To wrap up, the decision on where to set up production is a multifaceted one, influenced by numerous factors such as cost, infrastructure, location, and government incentives. For Samsung, Vietnam currently checks all these boxes, making it the best country for their phone production. We hope this video gave you some valuable insights into the world of smartphone production. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep exploring the tech world with curiosity.